Now let us create a class. So for creating a class, there is a syntax. First we should have to write the class keyword, and then let us say student. This is the class name. Student is the class name, and inside that now we can create function or method. In object oriented, function is called method. Don't get confused. Functions are same as methods. So declaring the method or function, we will be starting with def as we have seen. Let us create a function called details, and inside the parameters we should always give first self. Here self is nothing but you should not have to pass any values. The system automatically passes the object itself when you create a object. So you will be learning self once we go little bit further. So self is nothing but it is whenever an object is created, you are passing the object itself to the self. So now let us create variable parameters like name and age, and what we will do, we will just print the output. This like the name is and the age is dot format, and inside the bracket from the name comma age. So that's it, we have created a class. So we have discussed in our previous section that class is always a template. So we have created a template. Now let us create a object for it. Let us first press F5, OK, and now we will create a object. Let us say S1. For creating an object, you should have to just the class name is student and brackets and press enter. So we have now successfully created a object. Now after creating a object, as we have discussed, now we can access the methods inside the class. So what is the method? S1 dot, what is the method here? Details. So now we can pass details, and the name, let us give the name as Colin and the age as 35. Now if you press enter, see it is calling the function method and getting the output. So but see here, now let us say what is the name. We can print s1 dot name. It will give definitely error. Why, I will tell you. See, whenever we press now, it is showing error. Why it is showing error? Because we haven't set the data. So to set the data, this self is very important. So how we can set the data, I will show you. Like self dot name is equal to name, and self dot age is equal to age. Like this we will be setting the data, because these are dynamically taken. So whenever you are passing the parameters, they are going dynamically and into the print statement. But we should, when if you want to check this name and age, we should have to explicitly mention it there. So now let us call the shell. So let us first create once more time s is equal to student. Now s dot details, and inside that let us give Peter and say 56. So this function is called, this is printed. Now because we have setted the data, now see if we call set dot name is Peter, set dot what is the age of this, yes, 56. Like this is the basic example of what is class, how to create a class. Once we create a class, we will be creating a object, and this is how we will be creating the object, and Once object is created, all the functions or methods inside the class are accessible using the object. And this is how we should have to set the data using the self keyword. So while calling the function, you need not have to again pass the self value. So here, like when we have created the data s dot details, we are just passing the name and age. We are not calling self because the object itself is a self. It is the self here is a object itself. So hope you understood. Meet you in the next video with some more examples.